This dance is called I'm Invincible. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 2 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, chasse to the right with a quarter turn on the end. 1 and 2 count timing step, step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward, making that quarter return to the right. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right, and then shuffle forward on the left. 1 and 2 count timing steps again, stepping the left forward, right beside left, step that left forward. Now set of steps once more then. Side close, chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, chasse, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Now we have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn right in this very first section. Now we always say, do try and put the turns in where you can because the dances look so much better when they are in there. However, should you find you have difficulty getting that turn in time to the music, or it's making you feel a bit dizzy or disorientated, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So start the same as everybody else, side close. Go into your chasse, but instead of turning right, you're going to turn left at the end. So you do your side close, quarter turn left, and step back on that right. Then instead of doing that step pivot half, just rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, and then you can add on your left shuffle. So non-turning steps should you need to take that 3/4 of turn out from that very first section. You're then going to go into some heel switches. So you're going to touch your right heel forward, bring the right back beside the left, touch your left heel forward, bring the left back beside the right. So you're bringing your feet together, it's all done on the and counts. You're then going to step forward on that right, pivot yourself quarter turn to the left. And you're going to repeat it, heel switches and your pivot. So right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, left beside right. Step forward on that right, pivot a quarter turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot. Let's add that to the top. Side close, chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, chasse, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot. You're going to cross the right and the left, kick the left out to the left side. Cross that left back behind the right, point the right out to the side. Going then into a little extended syncopated weave. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, slightly faster steps now, behind with the right, side on the left, cross that right over. That set of steps once more then, cross kick off on the right. 7, 8, cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Let's add that to the top. Side close, chasse up on the right. 7, 8, side, close, chasse, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot. Cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross. You're going to rock to the side on the left. As you recover your weight on that right, you're actually going to make a quarter of a turn to the right. You're then going to shuffle forward on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. Then step forward on the right and pivot yourself 3/4 of a turn to the left. Now make a note of the wall that your right shoulder is facing. That's where you're going to end up. So you're going to pivot yourself around. Weight ends up back on that left foot. You're then going to step the right to the side as you sway to the right, sway to the left. So just a small step to the side with that right as you go into your sways. That set of steps once more then. Rock, turn off on that left. 7, 8. Rock, turn, left shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway. Now that pivot is a 3/4 of a turn, so some of you might actually find it difficult to do that. Again, can't get it in time with the music, or it makes you feel dizzy or disorientated. If you need to take it out, do the same steps as everybody else. You do your rock, your quarter turn, your shuffle. And then effectively, when you step forward, instead of pivoting to the left, pivot yourself right. You will find you automatically move that right foot because it can be in the way. But you'll then be ready to step down on it as you go into your sways. So non-turning steps should you need to take that 3/4 pivot out in that last section. So that is the end of the dance at that point. Let's put it all together. Side close chassé on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot. Cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Rock, turn, left shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway. That's your dance, but because it has got quite a few and counts in it, I will now go through it with the counts. Side close chassé off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you just a little bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side close chassé on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot. Cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Rock, turn, left shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway. Side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot. Cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Rock, turn, left shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway. Side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left shuffle. Heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot. Cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross. Rock, turn, left shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 tags and 1 restart in this dance, and the tags are both exactly the same. Jazz box and 2 sways. Each time you come to do the tag, you will be facing the 3 o'clock wall. So let's just go through that jazz box. So you can cross the right and the left, step back on that left, step the right to the side, and with this one we're going to cross the left over the right. You're then going to just take a small step to the side on the right, you sway right, sway left. The jazz box with a cross and 2 sways. Do that once more off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, back, side, cross, sway, sway. Single count timing throughout. So your tag comes at the end of wall 3. So wall 3 will be your 6 o'clock wall. You'll be facing 3 o'clock when we add that tag on. It also comes partway through another wall. So let's just do wall 3 to start with. Add on that tag, restart, so you can see how that one fits in. Side close, chassé off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left, shuffle, heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot, cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway, tag, cross, back, side, cross, sway, sway, restart, side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left, shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that one fits in. Your next tag comes on wall 7. Wall 7 is also your 6 o'clock wall. You are going to do 8 counts, so the first section of the dance, and then add on your tag facing 3 o'clock and restart. So let's just do that bit for you. Wall 7. Side close, chassé off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left, shuffle, tag, cross, back, side, cross, sway, sway, restart, side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left, shuffle. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. End of wall 3, tag, 8 counts into wall 7, tag, restart. Let's give it a go to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left, shuffle, heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot, cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway, side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left, shuffle, heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot, cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway, side, close, chassé, tag wall, heel, step, pivot, heel, step, pivot, cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway, tag, cross, back, side, cross, sway, sway, side, close, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left, shuffle, heel, step, pivot, heel, step, pivot, cross, kick, behind, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, turn, left, shuffle, step, pivot, sway, sway, side, close, heels, cross, kick, rock, turn, side, close, heels, cross, kick, rock, turn, side, close. It's your tag restart ball. Tag, restart, side, close, heels, cross, kick, rock, turn, hope you managed that one.